Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Faris Reza bin Muhammad Fauzi, and today I'll be doing the assignment number 4, which is to analyze a recover floppy, and the answer the question below. The question is only two, so we so I will be doing uh, I will use my tools to analyze the recovery floppy. So the tool that I'm going to use, which are the FTK forensic tool, that is to provide the evi provide the evidence or to filtering and searching any clues, and the second one is to a free word Excel password recovery wizard, is to access the file that contain a password and the encrypted file. So I had opened the FTK access data FTK, and I have already add the new case, and I will and using by adding a new case, choose the CCE sample PE and this one. So after adding the case file at the overview section, click the uncheck items. The uncheck items require the uncheck item have five files that contain, which are root folders, the driver free space 1, FAT1, FAT2, and the VBR. Also, and one of the files has had an invalid system ditch, which means the partition correct by the user by CROOK. So I've been digging each file. At the VBR file, the hash head says the invalid system disk error. Replace the disk and then press any key. So I've been So by to so I want to identify the corrupted file. So I click the second panel, explore, and choose the click tools, and click the data carving and press OK. As you can see, at the data carving result show that four files type that shown, and the three files is the Microsoft Word document, and the fourth one is the Microsoft Excel. So I will click one by one. So as you can see, the first file has no harmful file. The second one also no harmful. The third one is there is no harmful file, but the Excel one is being protected. As you can see, it has a password to protect and the encrypted file. Okay, for the another step, I need to find a clue. So to find the clue, I need to extract each file of document to investigate. So click at the data craving result and Click the add item case. Click yes. Oh, yes. So do each of 5 and to add item to case. So add item. Yes. Yes. Add item. Yes. As you can see at the drive free space at the Explorer, and in the view file native format, as you can see, it has contain a story about a document. The second document is also about a great civil war. The third one is also the same. So to open the each of the document file, I recommend you to each of the file to export at the folder or at the desktop. So right click the each of the document and choose the recursive file export. So I will choose at desktop and click OK. So yes, export one file exported successful. So do each of them. So click effort. Start. Yes. And oh, sorry. And after so in the first document files, you can see that haven't from a really big company. From the big company is from the um. So from the really big company is from, I believe, is from the owner of the really big company is from Jim Boss, the owner. And I okay, and then so the summary information, as you can see that the author is by the Emma Group, and the title of the first document is John by the grace of the God, King of England, and it has created at 16 16 Dece- 60 September 2004 and last saved in the same date. So after extract all the file at the drive free space, so we want to see which file can access. So at this is drive free space and click each which file that cannot be accessed. So as you can see, the first file can be accessed and there's nothing suspicious in this first document word file. So the second one also do not contain any harmful file, and the third one also do not contain any harmful file. So the SS1 can be accessed? No, because the SS file has been encrypted and protected by a password. So cancel that and exit. So to as you can see, the SS file cannot access it because it has contained a password. So I will be using a free word access. So I click next and browse. Go to the location of the access file. Okay, using the wizard, free word and add cell. So I click next, I browse, uh, uh, the Excel file and contain the password, open and click next, pick the second option, uh, the password length, and I will be use 1 to until 8 because I didn't know the password how long it is, so I click next and press go. It will take a few seconds to recover the password. Oh, and the result has been shown that the password has been found. The password is called CROOK. So click OK. Back to the folder, the CCE sample. Access the Excel file, and the password is CROOK. Click OK. Same password. Click OK. As you can see that it's shown that this is the evidence that ML CROOK was selling insider information to competitors. And to answer the question, which is, so the first question is, what are the documents found in the floppy disk? Well, in the floppy disk contains a 4 document, which are three Word document type and one Excel document type. And so the second question is, which document contain the sensitive material suspected by Mr. Brown? As you can see that the sensitive material is an Excel document. And that is all, and thank you.